Hey guys, so on this week's episode of Make It With Calvin, we're doing things a bit differently. I'm over here in Berkeley, walking on over to a place called Urban Ore, which is stop number 1 on a mission a classmate has sent me on to try and locate her some wooden fruit crates that she wants to use for a project. So, let's go check it out. According to Google, I still have a little ways to go. Now, I did download an app for one of them full e-scooters, but I don't know, maybe I'll just be a cheap tightwad like I usually am and not use it. But we'll see. In the meantime, still got a ways to go. So let me keep walking. I'll update you guys when I get there. Somehow. Oh hey guys, here I am at a bus stop in Emeryville. 10-minute walk away from the Urban Ore, but I did actually find what my friend was after. Ended up finding 2 crates that had been screwed together, and sure, they were a little bit more than what I had in mind originally. They were $8 a piece, and with tax out the door it was $17 total, which was a little more than I wanted to spend, but at the same time I wasn't going to pass them up if they were already there. To get these home was going to be a little bit trickier than I thought. It's about a 1.5 mile walk from here back to the Ashby BART station where I originally got on, and this thing is not necessarily heavy, it's just kind of unwieldy. Now I'm waiting for the free Emeryville go-round shuttle to take me to the MacArthur BART station so I can head back home. Now the plan for this is we're going to clean this up because it is absolutely filthy. It's a bit dirty. We'll clean it up, and then we're planning on sanding and staining it, so in another video I'll be showing my friend how to do that. But this is actually going to be a pretty cool project when it's done, I think. So see you guys in a little bit when I get over to school and I drop this off with my friend. I have a crate delivery for Jaya.
What?
Oh, I don't want to touch it. Okay. I don't want to touch it. Put it up.
Here, Calvin.
You don't want to touch the thing I bought you?
Calvin, what is that?
It is a box I just bought, Abby.
Okay.
Why did you buy it?
Because it's a box.
But I cleaned out the other one.